The Poco F5 Pro, a smartphone that aims to deliver flagship-level features at a mid-range price point. Design and build. The Poco F5 Pro boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a glass front and back with a sturdy frame. It comes in classic black and white color options, offering a minimalist aesthetic. Display. Equipped with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, the F5 Pro offers a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it excellent for media consumption and gaming. Performance. The Poco F5 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking and handles demanding applications with ease. Camera. The device features a triple camera setup, a 64MP main sensor with WAH, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro camera. In well-lit conditions, the main camera captures detailed and vibrant images. Battery life and charging. The Poco F5 Pro houses a 5160 mAh battery, providing a full day of usage on a single charge. It supports 67 watts wired charging and 30 watts wireless charging, allowing for quick top-ups. Overall, the Poco F5 Pro stands out as a strong contender in the upper mid-range smartphone segment. Its combination of a vibrant display, robust performance, and fast charging makes it an attractive option for users seeking value without compromising on key features. Thank you so much.